Hello everyone, welcome to Cope Tech GB. So today I want to be making a review about an app called Lucky Day. Please subscribe to this channel, like and click on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new videos. So here is the application called Lucky Day, and for a while I've been like playing with it. I will use the word playing with it, and I've earned some money and also some tokens. It's not of what it require is not something that everyone cannot do. It's something you can just play with at your free time. It's all about scratching some card. They can either reward you with some cents, sometimes 25 cents, sometimes 50 cents, and sometimes $1. Then they can also reward you with some tokens. So every day they give you some number of cards, like 3 times a day. Maybe it may also depend on your region. So like you see here, I've earned $8.50, and I can only cash this out when I have $10. But I want to talk specifically about the tokens. Yeah, the tokens. When you have a token that is up, when you have tokens that is up to the required amount to redeem a gift card, you can redeem any gift card you want. They have variety of gift cards here, so it all depends. So the required amount for you to be able to redeem a gift card is 7,500,000, which I recently had, and I redeemed a gift card, and I make a redemption of a gift card. Well, I was thinking like they were going to send it to my email address, but for some time I didn't get any notification, so I decided to check out their cost, if they have any customer care or something of that nature. So as I went to the setting, I noticed that there was an option there which says reductions, view order history. So I clicked on it, and I saw the $5 gift card in it. At this time it didn't write claim, it wrote claim now. So as soon as I clicked on it, on the claim now, then it showed claimed, and it opened up, and I saw the gift card code to redeem the Amazon $5 €5 because I'm in Europe. So to redeem the gift card, so and immediately they sent an email to my address notifying me that with the gift card code number, so which I will be showing to you guys right now. So let me head straight to my email. Yeah, email, and then comment. So here it is, Lucky Day. You receive a gift card, $5 from Lucky Day. So here is the gift card, and here is the code. So I will try and redeem. I want to make it as a proof that it is legit and not a scam, because me too, I look forward to this to be sure I wasn't wasting my time, stuff like that. So right now I'm going to go to Amazon.France and try to redeem it. So yeah, here it is. I'm going to try and translate what is here. in order for you to understand. Yeah, I don't think I can wait for the translation, so let's just go on. So here I'm going to like you can see on my Amazon it's 0, so let me put the gift card here and try it out. So here's the gift card. Let's try and redeem it and see what happens. Wow, it successfully redeemed $5 gift card. Let me refresh the page so that you guys will see it's legit and not a scam. You see, I now have $5 gift card here. Though it's not only an Amazon gift card you can redeem, you can ask for any other gift card that you use, such as Google Store and some other gift card. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, redeem reward. Let me see. Gift card. Yeah, there are some. No, they don't. It's not only. They don't only have this gift card. There are some other options. No. They have other reduction options to redeem a yeah, it should be redeem cash, free token. It's supposed to be rewards. Okay, here it is. Like you see, you can redeem Amazon, Apple Store or iCloud. Just that for now. It depends on what you have. And it varies the amount of token you have. So that's just it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to join you in the next one, to meet you in the next one.